In today's video, we are going to show you how to add the Milanote browser extension so you can easily clip ideas, images, and pages straight into your boards. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser. If you are using Chrome, I want you to go to the top right corner where you can see the extensions icon. You see this? I want you to click on it and go to Manage Extensions. All right, and then click the Chrome Web Store. Now, if you are using Microsoft Edge or Firefox, just open your browser's extension store as well. Now, in the search bar, I want you to type in Milanote and press enter. As you can see, we have the Milanote Web Clipper extension. Okay, so all I have to do at this point is click the Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension when prompted. The Milanote extension will install in just a few seconds, and once installed, sign in to your Milanote account, click the Milanote Web Clipper, you will be forwarded here. Okay, so as you can see, you can do a lot of things here in Milanote. One thing that I could give you is here you can put a pin to your toolbar so it's always visible. So this makes it super easy to clip pages, images, and notes while browsing. And that's it for today's video on how to add Milanote extension to your account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.